What if the most breathtaking place on Earth could also kill you? These destinations are so incredibly beautiful that thousands of people risk their lives to visit them every year. These are the 10 most dangerous yet stunningly beautiful places on our planet. Number 1 will leave you speechless. At number 10, Lake Natron in Tanzania. Its surface shimmers in deep shades of red, orange, and pink like a living painting. Flamingos wade through its shallows in enormous flocks. But do not be fooled. This lake has a pH level close to pure ammonia. Any animal that touches its waters faces calcification, their bodies slowly hardening like stone. Beautiful. Deadly. Unforgettable. At number 9, the door to hell in Turkmenistan. A crater 70 meters wide with walls of fire roaring from the ground, lighting the entire desert sky amber at night. Soviet engineers accidentally collapsed an underground gas cavern in 1971 and lit it on fire, expecting it to burn out in weeks. More than 50 years later, it is still burning. At number 8, the skeleton coast of Namibia. For centuries this coastline has been a graveyard for ships and sailors. Powerful currents, dense fog, and jagged rocks have claimed hundreds of vessels. Bleached whale bones and rusting shipwrecks still litter the sand today. And yet enormous golden dunes meet the crashing Atlantic in one of the most hauntingly beautiful landscapes on Earth. At number 7, the plank walk of Mount Hua in China. Narrow wooden planks bolted directly into sheer cliff faces thousands of feet above the ground. No safety harness. Just a single rusted chain. One wrong step and the consequences are unthinkable. Yet the panoramic views from the summit are among the most breathtaking in all of Asia. At number 6, the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia, the hottest inhabited place on Earth. Bright yellow sulfur fields, electric turquoise acid pools, and glowing lava lakes create a landscape that looks like another planet entirely. Scientists believe this scorching, toxic, extraordinary place may be one of the very cradles of human life. At number 5, Snake Island off the coast of Brazil. From the water it looks like a lush tropical paradise. But every rock and every shadow hides a golden lancehead pit viper. Between 2,000 and 4,000 of the deadliest snakes on the planet live here. Their venom dissolves human tissue. The Brazilian government has banned all visitors. Paradise and nightmare in the same place. At number 4, Kawah Ijen volcano in Indonesia. At Kawah Ijen, lava burns electric blue. Sulfuric gases ignite on contact with air, sending rivers of neon blue flame pouring down the volcanic slopes at night. The volcano also holds the world's largest acidic crater lake, glowing an eerie turquoise. One of the most surreal sights on Earth. At number 3, the Rainbow Mountains of China. Millions of years of mineral deposits have stained the sandstone in bands of red, yellow, green, and blue that ripple across the mountains like brushstrokes on a canvas. Most people assume the photos are edited. They are not. Sudden flash floods and unstable terrain make this stunning landscape far more dangerous than it appears. At number 2, Pico do Fogo in Cape Verde, whose name means peak of fire. One of the most active volcanoes in the Atlantic, it last erupted in 2014 and buried entire villages in lava. People rebuilt on the same slopes. Hiking its summit means crossing black volcanic fields with the Atlantic stretching endlessly below, knowing the mountain beneath you is still very much alive. And at number 1, Mount Erebus in Antarctica. The southernmost active volcano on Earth holds a permanent open lava lake inside its crater. Ice towers shoot volcanic steam into the freezing air, creating a landscape of fire and ice unlike anything else on this planet. Temperatures drop below -40. Winds are powerful enough to knock a person off their feet. Those who have stood at the edge of that glowing lava lake describe it as the most powerful thing they have ever witnessed. These places prove our planet is more extreme, more beautiful, and more terrifying than most of us will ever realize. Which would you dare to visit? Subscribe to Traventis for more incredible destinations every week. See you in the next one.